Federation of Haumi has questioned validity of imposing president's rule in Manipur, citing it cannot make any positive impact towards bringing normalcy in the state. Addressing a press meet held today at Kabo Lekai, Imphal, Federation of Haumi President Sapamcha Jadumani further decried over the abject failure of imposing president's rule in the state and turning into dictatorship. He said that the Union Home Minister deserves to resign on moral ground as no significant changes can be made in the state despite imposition of President's rule for almost 2 months. Jadumani went on to deplore that government cannot take up any legal action against those cookies who openly challenged the governor's order to surrender illegal arms, although the same government has made the illegal arms from valley areas surrendered on the pretext of maintaining law and order, while pointing out that the Union Home Minister's initiative for free movement in the state has turned out to be ineffective in Kuki-inhabited areas. The Federation's president added that such incidents and facts have exemplified the biased enforcement of law and order only in valid districts. Opining on the proposed delimitation process within a span of 3 months in Manipur, Jadumani asserted that such design of delimitation is within the ambit of Kuki's demand for breaking up Manipur. He went on to describe conducting delimitation at this point of juncture as an attempt to annihilate indigenous people by the illegal immigrants.
We are Pelore. Home Minister Amisha, Moriga Grounder, Tadu, Haru the Wimram Lake. Yawing meeing the Tokai meeing, Tamagi Mongama, Manipumiam the Olivasi, Sanctioned Torobo, Order money, how to shoot them to Tabaka Warring Order, Sanabaga, Chapanana, Hanasum Chanay, Singdana, Magi Warring Order to Mapum de. Adutaragati, we are Tamaki Canabale. Housing Sarkar Singmani Haitana, Ladiba, Emily Minister Mayam Su, Uzi Uriba, Angang, Rape of a Hariba, Pesampatagi, Anga, Mangriba, Nomoi Capsule, Mayam Siutanga, who came to Nangi. Makoina Sarkasi, Parakomatamda, a quay Karamna, Manipur Sea, Peace Lahingani, having you from Totra, a quay Shojana, Saka, Paragani, Paragatabu, only have the Jimian with Taju Wakini. There is an Homigi, Wakarundadi, Singamadi, Tamda, Ladyba, Yerumiam, Punjalakanda, Kuki, terrorist singer, Satariba, Makoigi, Tonganba, Lalong Sing. Masih aku tengah si Federation Homigi wakaluk ni tengah ni bulan saya mitega kuki ke tengah bani ada aku lau deh Yeromi singa kuki ke tengah bani ada nak aku laui